For those of you that don't know, my name is Dee Spur and I'm a digital marketer, and I'm very proud to say that. Over the winter, I put my head down and I learned the skills on how to promote other people's products and earn a commission. It wasn't always easy because sometimes I would stay up really late or get up really early, but I was like, if I want to change my life, I have to stop making excuses. And when I started, I didn't like seeing my face on camera. I hated making these videos and I had a lot of excuses. I was tired, other things were important. But when I put those excuses to the side, that is when my life started to change. I want to let you know, I've done this even with a very heavy, mentally and physically exhausting day job. But again, I got rid of all the excuses. This is literally changing my life. Since then, I have came across a product where I can earn 100% commission, and I want to share that with you. And I have literally made $5K a month since February, and this is mind-blowing to me. Why? Because I'm just like you. I'm just an ordinary person. But the difference is, as I said, enough was enough, and I went off the hamster wheel, and I don't want to stay stuck in my job until I'm 65, 70 years old. So I did the work. And the best part is I have no shipping, no inventory, no customer service, nothing. I have a product that I can brand as my own by putting my name on it, my logo, my colors that I use for my business. I make 3 videos a day, and they're short. They're like 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and I create curiosity about what I'm doing. And when you learn these skills, because like I said, I hated these videos and I was afraid to share these videos because I was afraid of being judged. Maybe I was afraid of failing, but I'm letting you know, if you don't give up and you stick with it over the next 12 months, maybe it's going to be 3 months for you or 6 months for you, but give it 12 months and I promise you, your life can change, because mine's changing. I've paid off credit cards. I've paid off debt. I went on vacation with the money that I made from this business. And the next goal, I'm paying down my mortgage. So if you want to learn the skill and turn your 90-minute scroll that you're doing every day here on TikTok and learn how to market a digital product that you earn 100% commission, go right here and check it out. And I'm here to help you all the way.